the night, I hear him talk the cold story.
Wrong side.
Who cares if you're on the wrong side? Alright.
Scoot over.
We're going to talk about the playoffs, okay? Playoffs. Okay, who's playing the playoffs? First game, 12 o'clock. In Oregon.
No, it's not.
I said we're in Oregon.
Oh.
Okay, we're in Oregon. Portland, Oregon. Well, Beaverton right now. My friend's house. It's just a Chantel. I know her sister. Why are you not on the camera?
Well, it's because I'm on the wrong side.
Alright. Look here. Check this out. Okay, first game. It's going to be Eagles and Cardinals. Who do you think is going to win?
Eagles. By a score of 35 to 10. Eagles.
True. Eagles are good. Okay, then second game starts at 3. Alright? Steelers and Ravens. I think that the Steelers are going to win, but Ravens have a good defense.
I like the Steelers.
Yeah, I know. You're a Steelers fan. I'm a Packer
The
fan.
Steelers have a better the Steelers have a better defense than the
Yeah,
Ravens.
but they have Ray Lou. Oh, wait. Hey, you know number 55 for the Ravens is like out?
Charles Suggs.
Questionable. He might not play. So you guys can rush. Rush. Whoa! With Willie Parker. Parker. Sarker. Okay. So, playoffs. I think, this is a video.
Hey, this pregame show is good.
Wait. I don't want to watch the pregame show, man. Oh, check it out, man. Partner. Man, I'm a Taco Black right now, man. Shit, that was the business in, man. I think the Eagles, man, gonna beat, man, the Cardinals, man. You know what I'm saying? Straight up gangster love, man. I'm gonna see a bunch of Eagles fans just going buck wild, hyphy in the club. They're gonna be ghost riding the whip when they get out the stadium. They'll be like, dumb, hyphy. Piss off my face. Piss on my face. And then when the Cardinals lose, they're all gonna go home going, oh, we lost. Like when Randy Moss and Tom Brady lost the Super Bowl to the Giants. They didn't play in the Pro Bowl because they were so depressed of a Super Bowl. I'm like, bro, you guys are
They didn't?
Yeah, they didn't play in the Pro Bowl. I was like, you guys have like 5 Super Bowls. Okay.
No.
How much is that? Like 4?
4.
They have 4.
No, they have 3.
3. They have 3. You guys have 3 Super Bowls. That's good. That's 4.
2, 3.
They have 3 Super Bowls. That's good enough. Okay, why'd you have to be depressed? Super Bowl, man. It's not like you're gonna get like. I know you get a cool ring and everything, but you can just win another ring, another freaking Super Bowl. You know, just gotta play good now. And also, Tom Brady, you don't. In the Super Bowl, why would you be throwing it deep to Randy Moss and be covered? Just throw it short enough so you can get a field goal range and kick a field goal. Okay, field goal and tie the game, take it to overtime, and then you guys might win the coin toss. Know what I'm saying? It's the playoff week, man. It's a broadcast. And see Carlos in the background. See right there. Say hi, Carlos. He said peace out. So, we're going to stop this video and we'll hit you up in Super Bowl 43. See you later. Signing out. Fran and Jordan. Deuces. Hasta la vista. Sayonara. I'll be in the sky. Yeah. I'll be in the sky. Sky. Sayonara. Konnichiwa.
I hear him talk the cold story, yeah.